Hello students, welcome to class 4. I am Binal Choksi and we will learn subject EVS Gujarat Board prescribed by NCERT. We are continuing lesson number 11 from page number 86, but before that we will do one activity. Yes, we are going to do that activity with this green grams. It is nothing but moong. Okay, so you have to soak this green gram for the whole night in water like this, and another day you will find the grams little bit bigger. Then transfer them in the cotton fabric, rest it for the whole day another day, and make sure that fabric should be wet. You will find them in another form, and that is nothing but this. You will find some. You can make one dish with it. It's delicious. Another way you can do is with that soaked gram you can put them in this position on the cotton, then put another cotton on it, as I'll show you, like this. Okay, you just put that another cotton on it and give it water. Soak it properly. Give water on the cotton and then wait for the another day. You have to make sure that cotton should not be dry. So by day you will find the different forms of these seeds. Alright, so this is nothing but seed has grown day by day and it is becoming a plant form, but it's a baby plant, right? And at the bottom side of the cotton there are roots and above side there are plant. So after few days it will get grown and you can see that it has grown its root as well, and those roots have fixed in cotton. They have hold cotton very well. It will not leave cotton as they have hold it properly. If we can see, by doing this they are not falling down because its roots have completely stuck into the cotton. You can see in the glass inside, right? I'll show you by separating this cotton from the glass. Completely visible this roots. There are fine roots of this baby plant has grown below side of the cotton, and this is the proof that this roots can hold the cotton firmly so that the plant will not get separated from the soil. As whenever we have visited garden, we always try to pull the grass. You can see I am trying to pulling this grass, but it is not coming out because maybe its roots have completely, yes, its roots have completely hold the soil properly. Now see, the whole upper layer of the soil comes out with this grass because its roots are that and they have hold this soil firmly. So this is the strength of the roots. This is why because the plants can stand firmly on the soil. These are the roots of the grass, fine roots. These are the roots of radish. There are many vegetables which grows under the soil in the form of roots. Carrot, radish, beetroot, these are the vegetables which grows under the soil in the form of root. Another vegetable is onions. Onions also grows under the soil, and when they get dried, they separated from that green stem, and after drying, onions look like this. You can have onions in any form, right? Green onions, dry onions. We used to have these onions in our daily meal. Another vegetable is garlic. Garlic also grows under the soil. We can have garlic in every form, green garlic and dry garlic. When garlic grows, it have cloves, and this cloves again we can use for growth of the plant of garlic. Like this, by putting this cloves in the soil. After drying the garlic, it will look like this. We can have garlic in garlic butter, garlic bread. There are so many items about garlic. Another vegetable is ginger. Ginger also grows under the soil in the form of stem. Potatoes also grows under the soil in the form of stem. Same way sweet potatoes grows under the soil. These are the forms of roots. When a tree falls down, you can see so many roots of it. As tree is much bigger than plants, so it has more big roots. Small plants have small roots and big plants, big trees have big roots, correct? This is a tree which commonly found in Baroda. Its name is banyan tree. Can you see these hanging branches? These are nothing but the roots of this tree. They grows from the branches and touches the ground. This supports this tree branches like pillars because these branches are so much in weight. Alright. There is a famous place of Gujarat, Kabirwad, situated in the Bharuch, is very big. Kabirwad is the name of a banyan tree which is so old and its age is almost above 600 years, which is older than 600 years. This is the Kabirwad. Can you see its roots? There are such like a big pillars, right? And their branches are so strong. Remember one thing, that banyan tree has the roots inside the soil like other trees also. But its different thing is that it can grow another root in the form of pillars outside the soil, right? Here some children are playing with this banyan tree branches. Have you ever played like this, or you would like to do this? You must try. Let's talk about other vegetables which grows on the soil. Cauliflower, broccoli, kohlrabi. This is nothing but German turnip. Then there is another red turnip which looks like kohlrabi. Cabbage also grows on the soil. These are leaf vegetables. Fenugreek, which is nothing but methi. We can grow this methi at our home also. Farmers grows this fenugreek in the bulk. These are its seeds. With these seeds, we can grow these leaves of fenugreek, and after drying it, it called as kasuri methi. This fenugreek can use in any form, seeds, leaf. After drying it also it is useful. Another leaf vegetable is spinach. Spinach is very nutrient with vitamins, full of vitamins and minerals. This is bottle gourd, means doodhi. Same way, another vegetable, sponge gourd, also grows like bottle gourd. This is brinjal, which grows on the plant in the form of its fruit. Lemon also grows on the plant. Tomato also grows on the plant, and you can grow it in your kitchen garden also. There are some other type of plants which grows on the wall, on the gate, or on the ground in short height. Okay, but these plants can only grow with the support. Its stems behave like roots. Some species called clematis are normally found like this on the wall. These plants are normally found on the wall, and there are beautiful flowers they can have, different colors of the flowers of the same species: pink, purple, white, yellow, green, red, all type of flowers it can have. We can have a special type of flower. Its name is Clematis montana. That's all for this video. We will read the chapter in the next video. Till then, take care. If you liked anything in this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Till then, take care. Bye bye.